Sup guys, so this is a 3D printer and I've had it for a year or two now, and here is the first part of my review of it. This was made by a company called AnyCubic, as you can see it says up there, and it is a very good 3D printer. The build plate is not metal like many, but it is actually a special glass. I'll actually get into that in my next video. It's really good though, and I'll show why in my next video. And you can see here, this is a full color, high quality touch screen display. Now that's a big plus because many printers don't have a touchscreen display, and this is actually really handy to have that. I mean, this 3D printer has worked great for me. The only reason I really don't use it is just because I don't have any cool ideas for it. I don't know, maybe I'm just not using its full potential. So why don't you guys comment down below ideas for me stuff to print on this, and then I'll probably pick one of those things and print it off in my next video, which I'm going to do on this printer as well, and I'm going to go through the whole process of printing something. So comment down below ideas of things for me to print. I do think maybe the best part about this 3D printer is the price. I'll put the price up on the screen up there. I don't know exactly what it is, but I got it when it was like $300 or something like that. $300 to $400. Not very expensive. It's definitely on the cheaper end of 3D printers, and it works great. Alright, anyway, my next video, I'll actually go through the process of printing something, and stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys. Tune in next week for another great video. Bye.